plus 2773158243 Mulani Operators Training School South Africa trains students from all over South Africa, as well as foreign students Angola, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, Lesotho, Swaziland. How to operate many mechanical plants used in the construction industry. We operate throughout the year except public holidays. Our courses include plus 27731582436 for booking ampersand registration. T.L.B 10 days forklift 5 days training reach truck 5 days training bulldozer 10 days training dump truck 10 days training excavator 10 days training front end loader 10 days training L.H.D scoop 2 weeks training grader 10 days training mobile crane 10 days training overhead crane 10 days training dangerous goods 4 weeks drill rig 2 weeks tower crane 10 days training Bobcat 5 days code 14 1 month reach stacker container handler 1 month. Welding. Call us on 0731 582 436 for booking. Arc welding 4 weeks, CO2 welding 4 weeks, argon welding 3 weeks, gas welding 4 weeks, steel welding 4 weeks, aluminum welding 4 weeks, trade test 4 weeks, gas cutting 4 weeks, boiler making 4 weeks, MIG 4 weeks, TIG 4 weeks, spot 4 weeks, fillet 4 weeks, other. Plumbing 3 to 4 weeks, electrical 4 weeks, CCTV 6 days. Free forklift training when you register to train in one of the courses. Grader, bulldozer, excavator, L.H.D scoop, drill rig, mobile crane, crawler crane, dump truck and tower crane. Call now and book for your space. Hurry. We train all mining heavy machines. Call /WhatsApp 0731 582 436. NB. We are licensed to train all the following. We are committed to upholding the National Code of Practice for the evaluation of training providers for lifting machine operators under the Driven Machinery Regulations in the Occupational Health and Safety Act 85 1993 of the South African Qualifications Authority SAQA. We do provide safety courses on lifting, construction and welding training on the following. Construction ampersand lifting machines plus 27731 582 436. Contact no plus 27731582436 for registration ampersand booking. Asterisk forklift training. Asterisk dump truck training ampersand dump truck 777. Asterisk excavator training. Asterisk front end loader training. Asterisk bulldozer training. Asterisk grader operator training. Asterisk mobile crane training. Asterisk L.H.D scoop training. Asterisk reach truck training. Asterisk tower cranes training. Asterisk overhead crane training. Asterisk drill rig training. Asterisk bobcat training. Asterisk T.L.B training. Asterisk reach stacker training. Welding courses. Call us plus 2773 1582 436 for booking. Contact no 0731 582 436 for appointments. Asterisk boiler making. Asterisk CO2 welding. Asterisk arc welding. Call us /booking plus 27731582436. Email us mulani operators@yahoo.com.